As part of activities marking the 2025 World Day for Assistive Technology, the National Eye, Ear and Sensory Function Program under the Department of Public Health, Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare has emphasized the critical role of assistive technology in improving the quality of life for people living with disabilities across Nigeria. Speaking at the stakeholders meeting in Abuja, National Coordinator of the Eye, Ear and Sensory Function Health Program, Dr. Okolo Oteri, highlighted that an estimated 30 million Nigerians live with one form of disability or another, many of whom lack access to essential assistive technologies. She underscored the need for urgent action to bridge this gap, stressing that inclusive healthcare technological supports are key to empowering affected individuals.
There are 30 million Nigerians who have one disability or the other. And most often than not, these people do not have access to assistive technology, especially the safe, affordable, and effective ones. So we're having everybody in the disability space, part of the meeting, to tell us, to contribute to the conversation. Like you heard, the disability community do not want anything without them. So they say nothing without them. So we're including them in the conversation, having all government agencies coming together to come and discuss this topic so we know what the needs are and how we can effectively meet those needs. Beyond what is already available, we also want to have conversations on how to use technology and innovation to be able to develop context-specific solutions for Nigerians that work in Nigeria, for people with disability in Nigeria to be able to contribute equitably to national development.
In his keynote address, a journalist and accessibility consultant, Mr. Ayola Funkoya, stressed the importance of promoting local production and distribution of assistive devices and called for enhanced training of caregivers and professionals, as well as increased budgetary allocation for assistive technology within both the health and education sectors.
One key way to address the problem with lack of access to assistive technology is to ensure or to promote local production and local distribution. That will significantly reduce the cost of many of these gadgets. Of course, you have the need to improve training for users, teachers, caregivers, and even family members. And of course, increased budgetary allocation, for assistive technology in the health sector and education sector, because those are two key areas where when you talk about assistive technology, people most feel that impact, And yes, like I said, participation. Persons with disabilities must not just be seen as an afterthought, but must be, involved from the point ideas are being conceived to when decisions are being made. That is the only way you can ensure that whatever you are putting in place is relevant and useful to the persons you are targeting.
In their goodwill messages, development partners and stakeholders pledged continued support for initiatives that promote assistive technology. They also advocated for stronger collaboration between government agencies, the private sector, and civil society to drive sustainable inclusion.
Sightsavers remains committed to providing the support that partners need to be able to ensure that assistive technology devices are safe, effective, affordable, and available to ensure that persons with disabilities, marginalized and vulnerable groups have the quality of care that is required and are able to function with very, very little limitations or non-existent ones, as the case may be.
Everyone should have access to safe, appropriate, and affordable assistive technology, no matter where they live. Unlock the everyday. Education plays a crucial role in World Assistive Technology Day by promoting awareness, accessibility, and innovation in assistive technology. It helps ensure that individuals with disabilities have equal opportunities to learn, work, and participate in society.
CBM International joins the global community in celebrating the life-changing impact of assistive technologies in promoting inclusion, independence, and dignity for persons with disability. These tools, from screen readers to mobile aids and hearing devices, play a vital role in breaking down barriers to education, employment, healthcare, and full participation in the society.
With the theme Unlock Everyday Empowering Lives, Enhancing Inclusion, the 2025 World Day for Assistive Technologies seeks to raise awareness and galvanize action toward ensuring that no Nigerian is left behind due to disability.